In this video, we explain how to create content for our app ENSE. Step 1. We check if images exist in our dataset folder, the only precondition for the process to run. Then we execute a Python script passing as parameter the name of the image folder. Using structure for motion, superclude, superpoint, and call map, the scripts create a 3D model from the input images. Step 2. Using another Python script, we start a server that in real time matches new query images against the previously created 3D model and images. This computes their position relative to the model. Step 3. Now, with GIMP or any other image editing software, we create the content we want to superimpose over the 3D model. We add an alpha channel for transparency and cut out the Sendlinger gate. The image needs to be saved as PNG. Step 4. We load the 3D model in call map and export it to the BLI format. Finally, in Unity, we open the model, drag our image material over it, and try to fit it as precise as possible. We can also add text-based information to the image. Once this is done, we add the model to the places list and can redeploy the app.